Beings in the ephemeral hells, which exist in addition to the main hells, suffer because they identify logs of wood and so forth as their bodies, and these are chopped and split. In a similar way, they may be imprisoned in small stones or large boulders in which there are no openings. Again, they may be caught in doors, pillars, fireplaces, ropes, glaciers, or twigs, or else they are blown hither and thither in the sky. All these hallucinatory experiences, in which they identify these objects as their bodies, and which give rise to suffering, whether constant or intermittent, being perhaps restricted to the daytime or the nighttime or just for an instant. All are due to different negative actions, such as appropriating and exploiting the property of the Sangha. Mahayana has said, "Within this world, no bliss is to be found."